Hello and welcome to AptiWizard. Let's continue learning GRE's text completion. In the previous lectures, we have seen introduction to the topic and we have also seen the question structure. In this lecture, we are going to look at how important text completion is in GRE. So GRE's verbal reasoning is basically divided between two sections, Verbal Section 1 and Verbal Section 2. Each of these verbal sections carries 20 questions in total. So we are talking about total 40 questions in GRE's verbal. Okay. Out of these total 40 questions of GRE's verbal, 20 questions will be there from vocabulary application and the rest 20 will be from reading comprehension. Now in your paper, out of the total 20 questions from vocabulary application, you will get 12 questions of text completion. Okay? And 8 questions will be there from another topic of vocabulary application, which is sentence equivalence. So text completion, the topic that we are learning in this course, carries 12 questions in your GRE paper. And if you want to understand the importance of the number 12 here, please notice that we are talking about 12 questions out of total 40 questions. So this is 30% of GRE's verbal. This is the reason why text completion is a very important topic for us, because it carries 30% weightage in GRE's verbal. If we want to increase our score in GRE verbal, text completion cannot be ignored. We really have to focus on getting our text completion questions correct. Now these 12 text completion questions that you will get in your paper, 6 questions will be there in the section 1 of verbal and the other 6 questions will be in verbal section 2. If we talk about the formats of text completion questions that we learned in the previous lecture, you will get a total of 4 questions of 1 blank type, 4 to 5 questions containing 2 blanks, and 3 to 4 questions of 3 blanks. Okay, so the number of questions from 1 blank type is fixed. You will only get 4 questions from 1 blank type. The number of questions of 2 blanks and 3 blanks type varies a bit from paper to paper. So 4 to 5 questions of 2 blanks is what you should expect, and 3 or 4 questions of 3 blanks type is what you should expect in your paper. Okay? In the next lecture, we'll learn the correct approach to solving the text completion questions. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.